Jameel Ahmad's Global Chief Market Analyst, Vice President of Corporate Development at FXTM. It's Wednesday. He's back on. Jameel, good to have you on the program again.
It's always a pleasure. Thank you very much for having me, as always.
Look, let's get up to date market-wise. What you been looking at?
Well, basically, local markets, there's still this air of positivity in there. And I'll tell you something, guys, what's happened. Another rebound in oil prices. The price of oil was heading towards a 5-month high. We're very close to closing above that magic $44 number that we've been talking about for the past couple of weeks. There is gentle dollar weakness due to the pending Federal Reserve decision tonight. And this has made local markets more attractive, and both the Dubai financial market and the Abu Dhabi securities market are looking more positive. In regards to the international stories, there's two different news headlines that I'm watching out for. Start with something that we don't talk about so often. I'm going to talk about companies and Apple. Basically, Apple stocks and shares over the past 24 hours have taken quite a pounding, and it's interesting because it's highlighting or resurfacing an issue that I believe we talked about when we were in Shanghai in November, and that's basically that Apple's revenues have not, they've declined basically beyond expectations, some would say, and part of the reason for this is Apple's need to diversify their products, and this is one of the concerns from buyers right now. There's so many different competitors in the market, and Apple as such is not as popular maybe in some sectors that it used to be. Other international news what we're watching out for was, I guess what we're calling it is verbal intervention from US President Barack Obama. When he was in the UK for the weekend, he made some comments about the need for the UK to stay in the European Union, and this has led to quite a, you could say, a reversal momentum, and now the no votes seem to be winning as far as the market's concerned, and the pound's been lifted much higher. Moving on to the currency, so we've got a much stronger pound. Barack Obama has definitely done some sort of, I guess, buyers of the pound would say magic. There's no longer as much concern that the UK might leave the Eurozone, but still with nearly 2 months left to the vote, there's going to be a few swings and roundabouts in the way. Dollar weakness is continuing. Fed meeting tonight. Minutes are released. Basically, markets are concerned that the Federal Reserve will once again downgrade their expectations on U.S. interest rate rises for 2016. Dollar weaker, which means the Dirham is slipping a little bit lower. We've got a stronger Japanese yen and a stronger euro.
Jameel Ahmad's Global Chief Market Analyst, Vice President of Corporate Development at FXTM. Jameel, appreciate your thoughts. Thanks again for coming on.
Thank you for having me.